Hey guys, what's going on? This is your boy Crypto Christian, also known as Christian Israel. I hope you are having a wonderful day today. Today is January 6th, and today we're going to talk about Bitcoin and XRP based on the calls I made a week ago. What targets did we hit, and where do I see the charts from here? So let's go ahead and jump on in and try to make this as short as possible. First off, let's talk about Bitcoin. I talked about this move on the 4-hour, possibly playing out, coming all the way down a couple days ago. To come down to 4.702, which is $40,000. Now, I actually showed this chart here to work our way out that I was expecting. Let me zoom in just a little bit here for you guys. That I was expecting it to come down and at least close at this level or come into this level. If you watched the last Bitcoin video from a couple days ago, this is where we are right now. However, I still believe that we could come down to 40,000 because here's how I just feel, right? Like, I'm not scared yet. I'm not fearful yet. If I'm a retail investor, I feel like, man, just one more little dump. Everyone's kind of expecting, and now that it's dumped, if it rolls over one more time, then people are like, oh man, it's really over. Now, I'm one of those rare people who says the Bitcoin bull run is over, that we're not going to break too much lower, but we are going to break lower, and it's just gonna go a little bit. So that's just where I see with Bitcoin that I am still looking for 40,000, because when I was up here telling people that we were going to reject at 50 and looking to come down to 40,000, as you can see here, break down because of this area, because of my 50% right here. I kind of say when we reject at the 50% level for Bitcoin in the Fibonacci, that normally means we're going to break and make a new lower low under this area. So we came down. Anyway, still expecting a $40,000 Bitcoin. There could be a little bounce here, but we will see. Let's just check into XRP, which I left you guys off with in this chart as well. And as you guys see, I got told I was crazy for this too, but when we were hitting 86 cents, I said I expect a 77 to 71 cent XRP. And that's kind of what we got. We actually went all the way down to 70.9 cents. Now, I normally don't do this all the time, but just recently, to tell people that I don't want you guys to get caught up in the hype, be very careful, right? Be very careful. So this, I'm not going to play it for you, but this was on New Year's Day that I tweeted this. I said, I will be doing a daily drop different on different crypto and other assets. This was the very first one, and this is why some people don't like what I had to say. Here, I make the case why I see XRP hitting 77 to 71 cents. That was on January 1st, 5 days ago. So I know this is not real high quality, but I actually draw that out here for you, and I make this chart right here. This chart here is the one that we are currently looking at here play out. So we have hit both targets that I thought we would hit. I pointed to this one, followed by this one. Now, here is my concern. I still think we have a chance to roll over because, as I said, I'm still not scared yet with Bitcoin, right? Like, I'm like, okay, but everyone's expecting, 40,000. That's the head and shoulders pattern completing at $40,000. So people are then going to start to short, right? A lot of the shorts are going to really come in around $40,000. And why? Because people are going to think the head and shoulders is going to break down. However, until the break back test, that's when you should put in your shorts. So here, I think that's when we go boom. I think Blockchain Backer talked about Wyckoff accumulation, which I believe we're still in. So I think we could get a little bit more down, or does it suffice and we kind of shoot on up? As we see here, we're hitting the S1 right now on your pivots, your standard pivots. So I still think 63, right? Below here, just a little bit lower here, fill the rest of these orders and stop hunt, right? Now, I'm not going to say 50 cents is on the table, 57 cents is on the table, but I'm going to be honest with you. I believe 57 cents is on the table. I'm not calling for it now. However, with Bitcoin making another 5%, 10% down move, I could see things selling off real quick with XRP hitting, 65 cents, something like that. That's what I see here. I actually got into the trade. Let me find. All right. Bring this up for you, and then we'll call it the quits. So I was really looking at this 77 cents, right? I got in at 72 cents down here. This is my actual trade played out. My trade was 72. I thought we might stop around here. We came all the way down. I got out at 76 around here, this area, and let this play out. I'm currently in a small trade right now, trying to work this out to see what happens here. We're back testing 77, which when we break 77, that's how I knew we'd get down to 71. So this is the area that I am watching and trying to see how it will play out, okay? So after this area, you know, I still think we can roll over. I'm not done yet with it, but it has sufficed my 71-cent target. But now we are forming a rising wedge. And if you guys know what this normally does, is a YG res normally breaks down. And so I could see a back test, or at least a back test of 72, right? I'd be okay with the refill of 72, not creating a lower low, but breaking out, because this kind of bricked up. Bitcoin breaks down to 40. That would break this down, you know, 10%, right? And 10% would be 7.5 cents. So I could see that, you know, that would be, actually, I kind of like that a lot. That's a trade I am willing to put in at 72 cents. So I'm actually going to rerun my trade right now based off this. And I'm going to go ahead and rerun that right now and do a 72-cent refill trade and see if that plays out. So, guys, that is the trade of the day for me. That is where I am sitting. That's where I see, let's see. That is where I see things going. And here, by the way, look, we have the Bitcoin breakdown confirmation right here. As I say, you guys know I like to look at the parabolic trends. That's just on the 30-minute, though. A little tighter zoom of this section that I said that we are coming into. See? And now it's breaking. So at least a back test to 42, I believe, is coming on the way. Maybe a little bit rolled down all the way to 40, coming down here. That little 5% move, bringing XRP down. And some of my other targets like Mana and Algo and EOS and HBAR and Gala, some of those other ones I'm looking at to get into a trade. So now that this has gone long enough today, 7 minutes, that's pretty long for my normal TA daily drops. Like I said, still a little bit more down to go, but I am still hopeful for the up moves. But for now, guys, I see down, down, down. Why not take advantage? Because not only do we day trade, we swing trade, right? So let's make money in the market where we can smartly, keeping our capital high and reserved and not risking too much, so not over leveraging and not making risky plays, looking for bottoms and dips that we can buy up to sell, not to short, but to buy the dip and sell. Okay, guys, so thank you so much for coming into the channel today. Please like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what other coins you want me to look at. And just stop by to say hi. Again, thank you very much. God bless, and I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful Thursday. See you guys soon. Bye. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Please make sure you like, subscribe, share this video, subscribe to this channel, and do the thing that people do on social media. At Twitter, at TikTok, you know, New Creation Capital. Let us know, guys. Thanks so much. I hope you guys have a great day. Later, guys.